Welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for FITTER 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today I am taking a class on a fundamental of a drawing. The author is K.R. Gopalakrishnan. The subject is isometric projection. So the problem has been given like this. So the question is, draw a isometric projection of a cylinder of 50 mm diameter, base and 65 mm, highly resting with the base on HP. So draw an axis line. So the diameter is given as 50 mm. So we should take 25 mm. 25 mm. Draw one circle. So you'll get diameter is 50 mm. The whole diameter is 50 mm. And draw a projection line like this. So resting on the base 65 mm. So the height should be 65. So the height is 65. Okay, draw a, the height is 65 mm. So after that, draw one axis line for a refer. Keep a middle point. Take 30 degree and 30 degree. So that this diameter will be a, the baseline will be 50 and 50. Okay, the height should be 65. 65 and here also 65. By using a projection line, take here 50. Okay, yeah, 50. So we'll get like this. Then we should make a here axis line like this for the reference. Here 50 mm for the reference. So drawing will come like this. Make it as this one as a center. Keep your 25 mm. Keep middle 25 and here 25. After that, join this line. Same procedure here also repeated. 25. Make it middle. so that it will come like this. After that, using a compass, cut an arc. Using a compass, cut an arc. Here also repeated, this will be a dotted line. This will be a dotted line. Keep here, draw a circle. Draw a circle. Draw in circle. So the drawing circle will come like this. I will show in the black pen. The circle will come like this. After that, join the circle and join the circle. So your drawing will come like this. So thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put comments. This will be a dotted line for making a center. Here there also same procedure. The dotted line will come like this. So this will be a dotted line. If you have any doubt, you can share in the comments. Thank you for watching my channel. This is isometric projection problem number 8. Thank you.